Hi, here I'm explaining a Java-based music project which I've done by using the JFrames from the netbeans, the mysql database and the SQL query language. Here I have a list of Java files which I've created for my project, and when I run the main Java file, let's see what happens. I'm taken to the home page of my project. Welcome to my music. Here I have the admin button, the new user button and the user button. And let's see what the admin can do. Here I have to enter the username and the password for the admin, which I have already set in the program as admin. The password is also set as admin. When I hit the login button, I am taken to admin's login page, the index page. Here I have the album part, song, approve user, release album, logout and the home page button. And by using the album part, the admin can add album to the table in the database. He can also add song to whichever album he selects. He can also approve the user and he can also release the album. And I've done this project in such a way that only those users who are approved by the admin can have access to the album as well as the song in it. And also the album should get released by the admin for the user to access it. Here I have the logout and the home page button. When I hit album, I'm taken to this page where the admin can add album here. The language is already set in the database and I have taken it here by using a combo box from the database. Album name, here I am supposed to enter an album name. Example, Moonlight. Director's name, Ram. When I hit the save button, I get a message saying album is saved. And these dialog box appear because I have set the J option pane show message in the JFrame program. Okay, and when I hit the next button, I am taken to this page where the admin is supposed to add song to whichever album he chooses. See here the list of albums that I have created, and the album that I have created just now should also appear in this album list. It's the Moonlight. Yes, Moonlight has appeared here, and now I have to add a song to this album. Example, Night. When I hit the save button, I get a message saying song is added. Okay. When I hit the next button, I am taken to this page where the admin can release the albums. So these are the albums that I have created before, and the album that I created just now should also appear in this compo list, that is the Moonlight. It has come in the album list. When I hit the release button, I get a message saying album release successful. Okay, and suppose if he tries to release the album again, he get a message saying album already released. Okay, and next he can approve the users. So these are the list of users, and most of these users are already approved. So when I hit approve again, I get a message saying user is approved already. So let's see how he can approve a new user. So for that, log out, back to home page. So we can create a new user here. This is the user registration part, and here we can add a new user. For example, I am adding a new user, Sayu, phone number, email at password era, ERA. When I hit a confirm password button, I get a message saying password confirmed. It checked the matching. Okay, and when I hit the register button, I get a message saying registration successful. So this new user got added to the user table in the database. Okay, and let's log out from the registration part, and now let the new user log in. Username Sayu, password era. When I hit login button, I got a message saying login successful. Okay. Next, he is asked to enter the username again. Are you an approved user? Suppose this user hit yes. He get a message saying sorry, you are not an approved user, because the user is not approved by the admin yet. Okay, unfortunately this user doesn't have access to the album and the song that the admin has added to the database. So unfortunately I have to log out. back to home page. Now let's make the admin to approve the user. Login. I can go directly to approve user part. So the new user whom I have created should appear here. See, Sayu has come here. When I hit the approve button, I got a message, user approval is successful. So Sayu is an approved user now. Log out, back to home page, and now Sayu is logging in again. Password ERA. Login successful. Okay. Re-enter. Are you an approved user? Click OK to continue. So Sayu has got approved now. Because she is approved now, she is getting this dialog box, this page where she has access to the albums as well as the songs here. So these are the list of release albums. So the album that the admin has released just now is the Moonlight. Yes. So this has appeared here. Select album from here. Moonlight. Yes. And whatever song is there in the album Moonlight has come here automatically. And suppose if the user choose any other album, promises the corresponding a song in it has come here. So now I'm choosing Moonlight. Night has appeared here. When I hit listen button, I get a message saying the song will be played in a moment, enjoy. Okay. And when I hit download button, I got a message saying the song is downloading. Okay. Now the user got access to them. When I hit log out, taken back to the login page, back to home page again. So this is how I've done my project. Thanks for watching. Bye.